Welcome back! If you've been looking for a way to simplify your trading on Deriv, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you a powerful automation tool called PivotCore.net. We all know that manual trading can be stressful and emotional, but that's where auto trading platforms change the game. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate an even odd strategy, where our goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. We are aiming for a balanced 5 out of 10 win rate to show you how controlled trading actually looks in practice. Before we start the bot, let's look at the interface. PivotCore.net is specifically built for the Deriv ecosystem. It's clean, fast, and removes the need for complex coding. You just select your market, set your strategy, and let the algorithm handle the execution. For this session, I've selected the even-odd digit contract. This is one of the most popular ways to trade because it moves quickly. I'll show you exactly how to connect your account and set your stake so you can follow along step by step. Now, watch the screen as the trades begin. You'll notice I'm not panicking when a trade doesn't go our way. Why? Because our plan is built for it. By targeting a 5 out of 10 win ratio, we are focusing on risk management rather than luck. PivotCore allows us to set these parameters precisely. Notice the speed of execution. Doing this manually would be nearly impossible to time perfectly. This platform ensures that the moment the even or odd condition is met, the trade is placed instantly. As we wrap up these 10 trades, let's analyze the performance. We hit our mark. This proves that you don't need a 100% win rate to have a structured trading plan. Using an automated system like PivotCore helps you stick to the math and ignore the feeling of the market. It's about discipline. If you've been struggling with overtrading or missing entries, this automation is going to be a massive upgrade for your workflow. If you want to try this strategy yourself, head over to PivotCore.net and see how it fits your trading style. It's a game changer for anyone serious about Deriv auto trading. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more deep dives into automated strategies. Let me know in the comments, what win rate are you targeting this week? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.